Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about using and creating the custom middleware in JavaScript. So today we'll be discussing about the understanding TypeScript and JavaScript interoperability, right? So the TypeScript compiles to JavaScript. Again, I'm telling TypeScript compiles to JavaScript, allowing seamless integration between the two. We know this one, right? TypeScript basically compiles to JavaScript, allowing seamless integration between the two. TypeScript basically extends the JavaScript with static types for better error handling, right? First, let's see the example TypeScript compilation, and then we will see the example using the JavaScript in the TypeScript. Or let's go with a very simple example, or let's see both the examples, no worries. So first one, let's go with the TypeScript compilation. So I'll just change this one from JavaScript to TypeScript, right? Let me type here TypeScript instead. So here what I'll do, I'll just pass this one message. Let's set the message to string type, and let me give here simply we can give anything within the strings. I'll just give here hello Bharadwaj, hello world, anything you can give here. So or hello TypeScript, anything. So I'll just quickly log here message, right? So I have to get the output hello Bharadwaj, right? So we are getting the output hello Bharadwaj. So here what I have done here, I'll quickly explain. This is of the static type, right? This ensures message is always a string. So this one, this is of the static type, which ensures message is always a string. And transpilation, nothing but the converts TS to the TypeScript to the standard JavaScript. So I hope the concept of TypeScript compilation is completely clear. Let's try to understand how to use the JavaScript in TypeScript, right? So I'll just quickly come here. Let me give here declare function. Let me give the name greet here. Let me set the name should be of the parameter name should be of the type string, and let's set this one to the void so that we don't get any output here, right? So let me give greet here. Let me give here John. So basically what we are doing here is declare. So whatever declare term I have used here, so this tells the TypeScript about the existing JS functions. Again, I'm telling declare. What does declare do here? So this tells the TypeScript about existing JS functions. As I've spoken about the interoperability, this one enables the TypeScript to use the JS features. That is the reason we have made use of the declare over here, right? I hope the concept of using the JS and TS and also the TypeScript compilation is completely clear, right? Next, we will be discussing about the advanced logging techniques in JavaScript. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.